Hi, I'm Jack at Directable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Directable signage account to your Canva account. First, starting from our app, inside of Canva, you will see this connection screen. Click Connect, and it will bring up a dialog for you to sign in or sign up for Directable. If you have not signed up, feel free to do so. All we need is your email, a password, and your phone number. No credit card required. Or, if you already have an account, just sign in. You'll be given your custom login screen. And just like that, you're ready to export to Directable. For more helpful videos, check out the links in the description of this video or our website, directable.com/help.